Compared to placebo, probiotics led to an improvement in mouth odor and also a reduction in these VSC compounds, or volatile sulfur compounds. Now, coming back to this study, I don't want to overlook this. The way that they tested halitosis, or bad breath, was they had participants keep their mouth closed for 1 minute and then blow into the face of a researcher, and the researcher takes a smell and grades the odor. So I commend you, researchers, for your commitment to the cause, and would not want to be on that research team. So what's happening in the mouth when the probiotic is exerting its favorable impact? In the mouth, of course, you have amino acids, cysteine, methionine, tryptophan, lysine. And as you've probably also heard that many amino acids are sulfur-based amino acids, which can do certain things like help facilitate detoxification. However, bacteria in the mouth also metabolize these amino acids and can form these volatile sulfur compounds, which have a poor odor. So part of what underlies halitosis is, said simply, dysbiosis, or disruption of the bacterial colony in the mouth, metabolizing amino acids, which are going to naturally be occurring in the mouth, and turning them into these sulfur compounds. Now, no one likes the smell of a sulfur flatulence. So similar thing with sulfur-laden breath. You will not be the most popular person at the office party. And thankfully, probiotics seem to help with this condition also.